Okay, just a quick video on how to use GeoGebra spreadsheet software just to get you introduced. So the first thing I'll do is I'll open up a copy of GeoGebra and show you how to get the spreadsheet software started. So here's a traditional view in GeoGebra. It usually has two pieces in the screen, algebra and graphics. So if you go up to view, you can actually turn these views on and off. And you'll see that there is a spreadsheet view you can bring in. So it brings in a third view, a spreadsheet view, and we'll get rid of the graphics view and just use spreadsheet and algebra as our two views. We'll primarily be working in the spreadsheet view. Also, it's an Excel-like environment where there are cells and columns that are labeled 1 through infinity and A through Z, I guess, but you can go beyond that if you need to. You can put numbers in here if you'd like to, but what I'd like to do is go out and grab some data from the real world. So if you fire up the internet and go to my webpage at the university, my personal webpage, and into a course I'm teaching right now, Probability and Statistics for Elementary School Teachers, down at the bottom, there's National Weather Service data, and that takes you to this page where you can get monthly weather summaries for different locations in Montana. I've got it set up for Missoula, but I'll just go ahead and get a monthly weather summary from Missoula, from the archive data from, let's say August 2013, hit go. And what that gives you is, that's actually not the one I wanted. I guess what I wanted was monthly climate report data. I'll hit go again. Actually, that was for March. Let's do August. Hit go. And what that gives you is a table of temperatures. There's your max and your min temperatures for all 31 days of August in Missoula in 2013. And we had a record-setting month, in Missoula during August. I think we had quite a few days above 90 degrees. Anyway, it might be interesting to see what that data looks like graphed. So it takes a little doing, but you can obviously copy all of this data and somehow massage it a little bit in Word and get it into format where in Excel you actually have the max and min temperatures here. And once you have those all as a data set, then you can copy those and run into GeoGebra and actually and take a look at what that data looks like. And here's where I think GeoGebra is really nice, that it gives you really nice, quick, and easy statistics output. If I click on the column A and go to this particular one variable analysis, what it does is give me a histogram of I guess the data. It gives you the summary statistics over here, so the mean, standard deviations, the 5-number summary for the data. Really nice is that you can adjust the number of classes. There are also a list of adjustments here, options where you can customize this. But you can see that August was a pretty hot month for us. When I look at the high temperatures, quite a few that were above 90. It seems to be a left skewed data distribution, and that seems to be, I guess, supported by the fact that the median's a little higher than the mean, although not much. So kind of a nice option. Let's take a look at the lows and see what they look like. The lows look quite a bit different. They're, of course, right skewed. And you can see that we still had pretty comfortable temperatures at night in Missoula during August, which is the way I remember it. Still could sleep, but it was hot during the day. So again, 5-number summary, means, standard deviations, and so on. What's really cool too is that you can take a look at multiple views of this. So here's the box plot of that same data, and here would be the dot plot of that same data as well. And those seem to be the views that pervade, I guess, the curriculum, and so that's why I think this is a really nice, here's stem and leaf plot of the data as well. I think it's a really nice tool for viewing data. It gets even better, you can put these two guys together and take a look at it, and there we see the bimodality in the data, of course, indicating that we got two categories at play. So here's your high temperatures bleeding over into your low temperatures, so we get some sort of a bimodal distribution of temperatures when we put both the highs and the lows together. Of course, 62 data points now because we've got 31 days times 2. So that would be the histogram. Here would be your box plot, and here would be a dot plot of those two data sets. So hope that gives you a sense, Troy, of kind of what I'm after and why I think GeoGebra is a really nice tool for stats. It can do a lot more things than that. It definitely can sample and do all kinds of sampling distributions as well, which are pretty easy to do, but I'll save that for another video and another time. All right, take care. See ya.